Welcome back, everybody. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than my normal outside videos. We're in the middle of winter and the temperatures have fallen below zero for the past week or so. So I thought it'd be a good time to do this video. A company called COOFANDY reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in showing 6 new articles of clothing that they have on their Amazon store. Since the weather outside is so cold, I thought this would be a perfect time to go over them. Before I begin showing you these articles of clothing, I'd like to state that I am 5'11" with a slightly slim build, and all the articles that I'll be trying on in this video are in size medium. If you're interested in any of these articles of clothing, I'll leave a link in the description to each one, along with COOFANDY's website. Let's get started. First up, we have COOFANDY Men's Packable Rain Jacket, Outdoor Waterproof Hooded Lightweight. This rain jacket is made of 98% polyester, 2% nylon. It has a zipper enclosure and is hand washable only. It's made of high quality special waterproof and windproof fabric. It offers a breathable and comfortable wear experience in any kind of weather conditions. Its classic and functional design and a relaxed fit, has an adjustable drawstring hood, and has classic solid colors. It comes with a carrying pouch for easy to carry. Next up, we have this COOFANDY's Men's Slim Fit Mac Turtleneck. This is a pullover turtleneck sweater. Comes in a solid pattern, basic design, but is still fashionable. It has long sleeves with rib cuffs and nice hemline. It is made of good quality knitted fabric. It's soft and warm. Has moderate thickness and softness for spring, autumn, and winter. Next up, we have a COOFANDY Slim Turtleneck Sweatshirt. And these come in a variety of different colors as well and sizes. These men mock sweaters are always a cold weather favorite. With a new turtleneck sweater in your wardrobe, you can begin to craft new looks and update your style with ease. Turtleneck sweaters are made with the highest quality of fabrics. They are sleek and refined. They effortlessly pull your look together whether you're going to work or going out to meet friends. Next, we have COOFANDY's Men's Hooded Sweatshirt, long sleeve casual solid knit. This is a really nice soft material. This men's hooded sweatshirt is crafted from an extra soft knitted fabric. It's comfortable, durable, and provides a soft and warm experience in autumn, winter, and spring. It has a built-in hood with adjustable drawstrings, a small crossover neck with long sleeves and rib knit cuffs. It has a kangaroo style front pocket. The urban style hoodie provides warmth, style, and perfect fit. Next up, we have COOFANDY's Casual Pullover Hoodie in a waffle pattern. This one's pretty cool. It's again another hoodie. This hooded sweatshirt is made with super soft cotton, polyester fabric. It is comfortable, warm, and durable. This is a long sleeve hoodie design with a unique stitch style waffle pattern. It has a hooded collar with adjustable drawstrings. This sweatshirt has a cozy feel, perfect for the cold nights. And finally, we have the men's casual hoodie pullover in long sleeve. This waffle hooded pullover is the perfect layer for traveling or relaxing on the weekend. The textured waffle weave outer fabric looks smart and feels soft to wear, while the stretchy hem and cuffs help to trap warm air against your body, keeping you warmer. This hoodie is great for all weathers. Wear this when you need casual with a touch of style. And that wraps up our lineup of clothing for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in any of the articles of clothing that I showed in this video, please check out the description below where you can find how to get yours. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.